everyone, let's solve for the value of x. First, let's write this as 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x raised to the power of 2, right? Plus 7 to the power of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 14. Okay, since we have 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of x, let's simplify this equation by calling it something. So we can say let 7 to the power of x be equal to y. So that makes this to be y plus y squared plus y cubed is equal to 14. Okay, so we can write this as y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus y minus 14 is equal to 0 if we bring this in. Now I want to express 14 in this form. So it's going to be a number cubed, the same number squared, plus the same number to give us this 14. And that should be, we have y to the power of 3 plus y squared plus y minus, so this will be 8 plus 4 plus 2, right? 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14, is equal to 0. Now we have y to the power of 3 plus y squared plus y. Let's open this bracket. You are going to see soon why I chose 8 plus 4 plus 2, because I explained something here. It's the same thing raised to the power of 3, the same number raised to the power of 2 plus the same number. And this is this 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2. So that's why I chose this, all right? So we're going to have minus 8. Minus times 4 is minus 4. And minus times plus 2 is minus 2. Is equal to 0. Now, we can now write them as cube, as square, all right? So we have y to the power of 3 plus y squared plus y minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can now bring them together. Let's collect the like terms. So if we collect like terms, we have y to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3, okay, plus y to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y minus 2, okay, is equal to 0. Now when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, it is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared, okay? And when you have a squared minus b squared, it is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we are going to use this format to solve or to expand these brackets, all right? So that simply means that we can now write this as y minus 2 multiplied by y squared plus ab, that is 2 times y, which is 2y, plus b squared, that is 2 squared, which is 4, all right? Then plus, this is difference of 2 squared, so it's going to be y plus 2 multiplied by y minus 2, all right? Then plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you look closely, we have y minus 2, y minus 2, y minus 2. So let's factorize that. If we do that, we are going to have y minus 2 open bracket. When this is divided by this, when this is divided by this will remain. So we have y squared plus 2y plus 4. When this is divided by this will remain, y plus 2, right? When this is divided by this, 1 will remain, is equal to 0. Now we can write y minus 2 into, we have y squared, 2y plus y will give us plus 3y, 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give us plus 7, right? Is equal to 0. So we can see that y minus 2 is equal to 0, and y squared plus 3y plus 7 is also equal to 0. Now recall that we are not looking for the value of y, okay? We're actually looking for the value of x. So I'd like you to watch to the end and see how we got the value of x from here. Now when we solve further, from here you can see that y is equal to 2, all right? Then from here we are going to solve this later. Let's focus on this first. Now y is equal to 2. Recall that our y is 7 to the power of x. All right, so we can then solve. Permit me to clean this place. So we can then solve y, sorry, 7 to the power of x is equal to 2, right? Now we are going to introduce log to both sides of the equation. So we are going to have log 7 to the power of x is equal to log 2. Okay, so x will come down because when you have log a raised to the power of b, it is equal to b multiplied by log a. So we can say at this point that x log 7 is equal to log 2. Now we're going to divide this side by log 7 and also divide this side by log 7. So we have x is equal to log 2 base 7. Okay, yes, because when you have log a divided by log b, it can be expressed as log a base b. Now the next one is y squared plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. I would like you to see how we got x here. Yes, now let's solve it. So we have, at this point we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula. Yes, that states that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now our a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of y, which is 3. Our c is our constant, which is 7. Okay, so we can now write y to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have y to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 28 divided by 2. Now when you look at this, you can see that if we solve this place, this determinant, we are going to get a negative solution here, and that means that if we solve this, we are going to get a complex or an imaginary root, and we need the real solution for our problem. Okay, so therefore the only real answer or the only real value of x is that x is equal to log 2 base 7. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please come back and watch again.